Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video we're going to look at restoring an old, weathered, silver grey, tired looking teak garden table. I'm going to show you how to go from this back to the original, beautiful, rich golden honey colour using our garden furniture restoration kit. Teak is widely used on outdoor furniture as it has a natural weather and rot resistant quality. This is why it's also used for marine and yacht decking, so this kit is perfect for any old boats you have lying about. But it's not just for teak, this kit can be used on all types of outdoor wood. Our garden furniture restoration kit is the ideal solution to clean, restore, protect and preserve. It's a three-part process, so contains all the products and accessories needed to get your wood looking good. Let's head out to the garden to see how it works. Before you use any of the products, you should remove any thick build-up of dried on dirt or mud with the brush. There's no need to scrub too hard as we're just trying to loosen it up before we move on to the cleaner. If your furniture is not as dirty as in this example, there's no need for this step, but still go ahead and rinse off the debris and wet the wood to be treated. This will help the cleaner to clean deep in the grain of the wood. Take the Teak Cleaner and mix it with warm water at a ratio of 1 part cleaner and 5 parts warm water. Mix everything up, dip the scrubbing brush into the mixture and scrub the surface to loosen the dirt and grime. A smaller brush can be used to get into any hard to reach areas, and always try to rub in the direction of the grain. When you can see that the dirt is being loosened and removed from the wood, wash it off with clean water. Extremely weathered wood like this example may require a second clean to completely remove all the dirt, mildew, stains, algae and grease. Just keep on repeating the process until the dirt has been removed. The next step of restoration is to use a Teak Brightener. Again, this should be diluted, this time mixed with water in equal parts, and simply apply using a clean cloth and rub it into the wood, following the direction of the grain. It's fine to apply the brightener when the wood is still wet from the cleaner. Leave the brightener to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with clean water. The final step in the process is to apply the teak oil, but before we do that, it's very important to let the wood completely dry, as you don't want to trap in any moisture. Applying the oil is nice and easy. Simply take a clean cloth and rub it into the wood following the direction of the grain. Apply 2 further coats in the same way, leaving around 6 hours drying time in between coats. And that's all there is to it to transform your garden furniture. What do you think of the final result?